Good morning to all. You are seeing Education with Fun channel, and now we will discuss Chapter 1 History, How, When, and Where. Question and answer. So, first question, explain the meaning of the term imperialism and colony. Imperialism, a system wherein a country established its rule over other countries, became widespread across the world. What do you mean by colony? A group of people who go to live permanently in another country but keep their own habits and traditions. B. Why did the British flock to hill station in the summer? This is so because they belong to a region which is cool and can't cope up with extreme summer or heat. C. What is the cantonment? Cantonment are the place where the troops of the colony government had to be exclusive quartered. The cantonment was built about 5 to 6 miles away from the city. Now question number D. Why did the British feel the need to survey India? The British felt the need to survey India because this was the way to know the country better. By doing so, they could administer the country by knowing every corner, and this will help them to control and establish their power and authority. Last E. What are oral sources? How are they useful source? This is another interesting source of information for their period and includes audio recordings, music, folk song, and interview. They are useful source of information in these ways. Songs and poems composed during the revolt of 1857, the Swadeshi and boycott movement tell us about the moods of the time. 6. Answer the following question in 4 or 5 sentences. Why do Indian historians refer to the modern period as the colonial period? As the follows. During the modern period, many European countries like Spain, Portugal, France, Britain came India and established their rule colony here. India did not get scientific and industrial changes during this period, but it became supplier of raw materials at cheap rate for those of the ruling countries. The imperialist power always exploited the natural resources of India for this betterment. The standard of living of common people declined. Number point 5. No proper attention for Indian history from the colony government. Question number B. I haven't yet written, so I will not explain that. Question number C. How does the National Archive of India serve as a useful source of history? The National Archive of India serves as a useful source of history as research are the place where important records and documents are stored. They help us to know our history more better and give us the sufficient knowledge. D. Name some of the vernacular newspapers published in India. How were they useful? Some of the vernacular newspapers published in India are Kesari, The Tribune, Young India, and Amrit Byaga Patrika. They are useful in the following ways. Vernacular language gives historians an insight into the public opinion. It were a powerful tool to mobilize national sentiments and echo strong anti-British views. A vernacular place was often considered to be a political world. Question number E. How does the work of Indologists help us to learn about this period? The study of Indian culture was a field that attracted a number of European scholars. Indology includes the study of Sanskrit, literature, and Hinduism, along with the other Indian. The works of prominent Indian Indologists like James Whale, Mount Stuart, Elphinstone, Wickman Smith, and Max Muller was very influential. Question number F. I means B and F I haven't written, so I will post it later. Have a nice day. Like this video.